Hey, my name is Suli and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye look Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division eye palette. And I got this at tjmaxx and it was only $4.99. And I already have my makeup done. We're just going to do the eyeshadow today. So I had been wanting this palette. And when I seen it at tjmaxx, I was like, yes. I mean, it was only $4.99, so colors look like that. So let's begin. I can easily do like a brown eye look. I think I'm gonna use these three. Instead of just doing a regular brown, I'm gonna dip into this one first. Okay, so they are a bit powdery. See when you dip the brush? Like I have said before, most eyeshadows have a little bit of powder. Like they're a bit powdery, so I don't really mind. You can just tap off the axis of the brush and, you know. So I always have to do what I do to one eye to the other one. I can't just complete one eye and then do the other one. Like it's just the way that I do my makeup. So we're gonna go in the other eye and do the same thing. Now I'm gonna go into this one. I had already cleaned my brush and I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner. I'm just gonna grab another brush and I'm just gonna wet it. And now I'm gonna go in with this green. I'm just gonna take a clean fluffy brush and I'm gonna take this color again and I'm gonna go over. I'm doing this so I can get more buildup on my eyeshadow because I completely forgot to use primer. I don't usually use primer all the time, but this time I was going to use primer to intensify the color and I completely forgot. I'm just going to have to do another layer, build it up. And now I'm going to go in with the green again. Okay, and we're all done. I'm just gonna put on some lashes and some mascara and I'll be right back. Our lashes are on and now we're going to do the bottom of our eye. And again, I'm going to spray my brush. The reason why I do that is because it intensifies the color, like it makes it like even more brighter. So for the bottom color, I think I'm just going to go in with this one. And then this white right here, it's like a shimmery white, so I'm gonna use it to highlight the inner corner of my eye. The pan, it looks very white, but it actually comes off as like a pink highlight. Just gonna put it up here too. Just taking a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just trying to blend the highlight with the eyeshadow. There's not just like a harsh line from the highlight. I get a black eyeliner, and I'm gonna put that in my waterline. And with a clean brush, I'm just gonna take off any excess eyeshadow that fell. And there you go, that's the eye look I created with the Makeup Revolution palette. The palette's really good for its price. This green that I used is pretty chunky, but like I said, you can make it work. Just spray your brush with some setting spray and it'll work. If you want to intensify the colors too, put some eye primer first and then start adding your eyeshadow. That always helps too. What I want for you to get out of my videos is that you can make most makeup work, and that's what I want you to get out of today's video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.